Today I'm gonna show you the Littlest Pet Shop main characters pack, and now we're gonna open it.
Okay, so let's start. I'm her brother.
But wait, let's look at the box first.
Okay.
It comes with 7 pets. It also comes with the book, and it has these 7 pets.
Okay, what are the names first before I kill this box?
This is Zoe Trent, Zenil Nebula, Pepper Clark, Mika Mark, Russell Ferguson, Penny Lane, and Barry Terrell.
Okay, so are you done with this?
Yes.
Wait, first let's do a quick spin. Na 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 na. No.
Get over with.
Okay, guys, now we're on the opening. So, yeah, she's got 2 things she's gonna throw at it, and a knife. I got scissors, Ouija, and pen. Okay, she's got a knife, a thug Koopa, and a puppy. Say wolf.
Wolf.
Okay, so let's start the opening. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Get it.
Come on.
Kill it. Kill the pet. I got you.
Where's my pen? Here it is.
I'm killing him.
Watch out. Okay,
How do they look?
now let's look at the front side. Oh, you can see holes.
Fun.
Okay, so now let's open it. Come on. Opening.
You had to say the password.
The password's open.
Open sesame. Ow. Okay, let's get the pets out. Some of them.
Wait a minute. No, there is. Okay. Look, they're strapped in.
Okay, guys, we'll be back after they are untied. Guys, we got the strings, and I'll show you what the pets look like. Okay, so let's get them out.
Okay. Wait, but first, let's look at the booklet. Reading.
And
Dun. So, so it's color book. So it's games.
it's a color book.
No, it's supposed to like games and stuff.
No, this is an activity book.
Yeah, activity.
Okay, and I'll show you what they have.
Okay. So, wait, which one do you want to choose? First?
Okay, let's start to the top to bottom.
Okay, so sorry if this breaks someone's ear.
Okay, give me it. So guys, this is Zoe, and she's kind of purple, and she has this purple hair and this pink hair, and she has a collar. Put it. See, can you guys see it?
Yeah, I think they can. Okay. And here's the purple hair. Okay, let's do quick circle. Dun, na 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 na.
Okay, guys. So this is Pepper Clark, and she's kind of like a skunk.
I think it's like a squirrel or something.
No, she's a skunk. Cause look at her tail.
Okay.
Okay, and she has this nice
Hair.
Yeah, it's kind of like poopy.
Yeah, even though it's plastic.
Yeah, Now give me.
Okay, wait for the circle. Dun, na, na.
Get on with it.
Okay, now Sunil.
Okay, guys. So this is Sunil, and he's kind of no one knows what he is, but David, what do you think he looks like?
A mongoose.
Yeah. So if you don't know what a mongoose is, you can check it out in internet or something. Okay.
Wait, the circle. Dun, na, 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 na.
Okay. Don't make me do. Next up is Pinka Mark. She's a monkey and she has these
Ponytails.
yeah.
I mean pig ears.
And
Tails.
and guys, you're gonna think funny because she has a tattoo.
It's a tutu, not a tattoo.
Tutu.
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, so this is Russell. He's he. Some people call him a porcupine, but he's a hedgehog.
Sonic the Hedgehog. Except he's not blue. Okay, full spin. Dun, na, 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 na.
Stop it.
Okay.
And this is Benny Taro, and well, I kind of had one in Mexico, but I didn't like it because it had purple hair.
Yeah.
But now it had green hair. So he's a gecko, and look at it, and look at his feet. It's kind of like spiky, and he has 3
Fingers.
Yeah.
Okay. So, dun, na, 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 na. Okay. Now, last one.
Is Penny Ling, and she's a panda bear, and she's all blue, and she's
Wait, that's purple.
yeah. Okay, and she's kind of have these nice ears, and she kind of does like that.
Yeah, she kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. Okay, full set. Last spin. Dun, 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 oh.
No more.
Okay. So, yeah. That's it for today and her channel. What do you like to do in ending?
And wait. And what's your favorite LPS?
Leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.